TikTok, the enormously popular social media app, has changed its branded content policy to prohibit the promotion of financial services, including cryptocurrencies. Guess which cryptocurrencies were promoted? Welcome to How to Crypto, the news updates on cryptocurrencies. And today we'll be talking about the big developments coming up in Algorand. If you want to stay up to date with all the crypto news, you need to like and subscribe. Don't miss anything. Be aware of bulls and bears in the future. Kindly note that the prices of cryptocurrencies frequently change, so by the time you watch this video, it might have changed to a whole new value. The information provided in this video does not constitute investment advice, financial advice, trading advice, or any other sort of advice, and you should not treat any of the content as such. The content in this video is for educational purposes only. Do conduct your due diligence and consult your financial advisor before making any investment decisions. According to the Daily Mail, social media behemoth TikTok has taken a major step towards banning not only Bitcoin influencers but all producers who promote financial services. Cryptocurrencies, purchases, now pay later firms, loans, credit cards, and forex companies are just a few examples. The action, according to the newspaper, is intended squarely at halting the alarming trend of high investments being promoted on social media. Many of these unsuitable high-risk investments are actually frauds, scams, or schemes. Legitimate financial firms will also be harmed by this shadow banning and will no longer be able to use influencers in the same manner as they do now. For some, the possibility to promote on TikTok remains an option, as the real issue is with the influencers. For supporting specific cryptocurrencies, exchanges, dApps, or other connected products, influencers are typically paid a flat fee or commission. Financial services companies are allowed to advertise to targeted users over the age of 18 under the ad policy. Ads promoting digital assets and cryptos, on the other hand, are already forbidden from being purchased on the platform. Some of the most popular cryptos being advertised are Bitcoin, Ethereum, Algorand, Dogecoin, and many others. Because many crypto-related businesses rely on TikTok influencers, sometimes known as FinTok advisors, to expand their worldwide reach, these new limitations will have a significant impact on how the industry markets itself. Without the option to pay influencers or TikTok for advertising, cryptocurrency's time on the platform may come to an end. TikTok has been chastised for providing unlicensed financial advice. TikTok's move is mostly motivated by recent scrutiny the company's received for carelessly allowing deceptive financial advice. The reason for concern is that inexperienced young investors can become entangled in get-rich-quick scams and wind up in significant financial problems. Well, take all precautions and expert advice before you jump into the cryptoverse. Some TikTok influencers gave seemingly harmless advice, such as buying a stock while it's rising and selling when it begins to fall. Others, meanwhile, offer to make you a millionaire in a month or sell tens of thousands of dollars in online investment courses. TikTok has been used to target young and naive investors hoping to make a quick buck, according to a February study by the Financial Conduct Authority (FCA) of the United Kingdom. Many of these influencers advised individuals to put a lot of money into stocks like GameStop and AMC. The data suggests that a new, younger, more diverse group of consumers is becoming interested in higher-risk investments, possibly motivated in part by the accessibility given by new investment apps, according to the FCA research. According to the report, over 60% of young investors believe that losing their investment will have a fundamental influence on their future lifestyle. You might suppose that businesses aren't aware of Algorand because of its small market cap and low price. That isn't the case though. A decentralized network with increased size and security appears to be appealing to a large number of enterprises. Indeed, Algorand's huge ecosystem is the subject of a large web page. Many of the most popular Bitcoin exchanges are part of this ecosystem. It also includes collaborations with prestigious universities across the globe. Algorand's technology is used by over 500 multinational enterprises. Fintechs, startups, financial services, and diverse institutions are among them. What is it that's attracting all of these organizations? There's got to be something special going on here. The biggest attraction we feel is Algorand's advanced blockchain, which serves as a link between centralized systems and traditional procedures, i.e. those who aren't technically smart, and blockchain infrastructure. Algorand, created by MIT professor and master cryptographer Silvio Micali, is one of several blockchains vying to dethrone Ethereum as the all-purpose smart contract platform. On Algorand, which handles roughly 1 million transactions each day, almost 700 enterprises are developing initiatives. On the blockchain, around 4.5 million Algorand standard assets have been produced. These fungible and non-fungible tokens can be used to represent a variety of things, including loyalty points, real estate, securities, in-game items, collectibles, and more. It is the 38th most valuable cryptocurrency, with a market capitalization of $2.8 billion and a 24-hour trading volume of $176 million. Algo is up 161% year-to-date, which is respectable, and outperforms other smart contract platforms Tezos, EOS, Neo, and Tron, but falls short of Solana, Cardano, and Ethereum's excellent results. However, the blockchain has seen a flurry of activity recently, with Michael Arrington's venture capital fund investing $100 million in projects in the Algorand ecosystem. Digital wallet company Exodus Movement announced it would digitize its common stock as exit tokens on the Algorand blockchain. And news that a cross-border payment project would be built on the platform by a company. Since the platform's introduction 2 years ago, approximately $600 million have been spent on development on Algorand. This weekend, Monash University's Blockchain Technology Center in Melbourne will host a hackathon alongside the Algorand Foundation to generate ideas for how to use the platform for social benefit. Algorand, as a proof-of-stake blockchain, does not rely on mining like Bitcoin does. Instead, users can stake their Algo currencies and be rewarded with extra tokens. Algo tokens stored on the Melbourne market, BTC markets for example, multiply at a rate of 5.71% every year. There's also Algorand Inc., a 70-person-based Boston-based technology company focused on maintaining and expanding the protocol, in addition to the Singapore-based Algorand Foundation, which controls the community, monetary policy, and a grant program. Furthermore, Hemp Blockchain Inc., a company that's developing advanced cloud-based solutions to help the industrial hemp industry go faster, announced that Algorand had been chosen as its blockchain platform to support a variety of supply chain management and marketplace solutions tailored to the industrial hemp industry. The Hemp Blockchain TM aims to leapfrog existing solutions in an agriculture industry with strong development prospects and strategic importance for a variety of reasons, including agricultural sustainability, carbon sequestration, and the fast-growing demand for carbon offset certificates. For the future generation of financial goods, Algorand Inc. created the world's first open-source, permissionless, pure proof-of-stake blockchain system. Silvio Micali, a Turing Award-winning cryptographer, created this blockchain, the Algorand Protocol. Proof-of-stake consensus algorithms are used to validate transactions on blockchain networks, and Algorand is a leader in this field. Proof-of-stake has several advantages over proof-of-work. The other key blockchain consensus mechanism, including scalability and energy efficiency, because it does not use competing high-resource consumption miners to validate transactions. As a result, Algorand is an obvious solution for enterprises like the Hemp blockchain that are committed to achieving a carbon-free future. Because industrial hemp has less than 0.3% THC by dry weight, it is a rapidly rising business, driven by a crop that's distinct from its biological relatives that generate THC-based cannabis products. Industrial hemp has over 50,000 applications, including fuels, plastics, graphene, solvents, construction materials, meals, and pharmaceuticals. It's also a major instrument in the worldwide fight against climate change, as an acre of hemp can theoretically sequester as much as an acre of rainforest. At the moment, the industrial hemp supply chain is in shambles. It's marked by opacity, fragmentation, a lack of dependable payment mechanisms, the inability to identify genuine buyers and sellers, and the difficulty to reliably and consistently check seed genetics for product provenance and quality in accordance with federal and state regulations. The industrial hemp business chain is underserved by a supply chain solution tailored to its demands due to its relative youth, generating favorable conditions for market entry and long-term success of a modern, industry-focused blockchain-native solution. Furthermore, the hemp blockchain will provide value much beyond that of previous ways by creating a streamlined carbon offset credit marketplace that incorporates a dependable token to mediate transactions. This is a unique token and network in comparison to others. It's one of the most intriguing altcoins currently available. Stakeholders should be aware that Algorand's technology is used by 500 firms, so they're in good company. So there you have it, and with that we've come to the end of our video. We hope you enjoyed the video, and let us know in the comments how much your crypto will be worth next year. Make sure to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you tomorrow at How to Crypto with more crypto updates.